Welcome! Today we will be demonstrating the basic installation steps for the NorthClad AL dual interlocking series panels. So let's get started. First step is to always review the NorthClad furnished shop drawings that pertain specifically to your project you are about to install. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your NorthClad project manager immediately. Locate your bottom starting point, mark your lines, prep and install your bottom flashing. Now lay out and install your vertical flashing on one end. Here we are on the left side. Same for the opposite side. Lay out, measure, cut to fit, and install your top flashing. Cut the bottom starter J extrusions to the proper length. Install the furnished starter J-track extrusion along the bottom edge per your layout line. Be sure to check and maintain the gap between the flashing and the bottom of the extrusion by use of the proper shim thickness. Remove any protective film before proceeding. You can peel back from all edges and leave on face, carefully score and remove around edges, or remove completely. Install your bottom row by engaging the panels onto the starter J-track. Maintain the required gap dimension at base of wall. Be sure your bottom row is square and level. Measure top of panel to your level line. Attachment screws at top only, never on the side flange. The ALDI series is a progressive system that installs vertically and to the right, starting at the bottom left corner and ending in the upper right corner. Be sure to frequently check your dimensions and always use the proper shims between the panels to maintain correct reveal gap dimension. Remember, use your reveal shims in all panel joints. Never install the panels tight together, always maintain the gap in between. The designed gap at the reveal connections allow for natural thermal movement of each panel, while maintaining the functionality and aesthetics of the wall assembly. Remove any protective film. Your wall is now complete. I hope you found this training video helpful. Contact us if you have any questions or need additional training.